borrow up to $500 even with bad credit. There's absolutely no credit check or security deposit. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So for today's video, we have another special review. This time around, we're going to be reviewing a fintech that has several different credit products geared to consumers with poor credit histories. And this is a way for you to have multiple different credit products that not only help you build credit, there's absolutely no credit check, and it allows you to put some cash in your pocket. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Possible Finance. So again, Possible Finance is a fintech organization. Now, before we dive into the credit product, I just wanted to give you a little background about Possible Finance. Possible Finance is fighting for financial fairness. Possible Finance believes that financial health is something that everyone deserves, and it's their mission to help you, your community, break the debt cycle and unlock economic mobility for generations to come. Today, millions of Americans feel that they can't get ahead financially no matter how hard they work. They feel hopeless, undervalued, and stuck. That's because the existing financial system is designed to keep hardworking people in debt. Both payday lenders and credit card companies intentionally lend to vulnerable people, knowing that they will get stuck in debt cycles. Approximately 91 million Americans can't access money when they need it. 25% of payday loan users had to reborrow on average 9 times to get out of a debt trap. Americans have also paid $14 billion in fine print credit card fees in 2019 alone. So Possible is really designing consumer credit products that are going to help the consumer get ahead. So you could borrow up to $500 even with bad credit. So Possible offers several different credit products. Now, the first one is the Possible Card. So the Possible Card is a credit card that gives you either a $400 or an $800 credit limit with instant cash access, no interest or late fees ever, and there's absolutely no credit check or security deposit. So this isn't a secure credit card. This is an unsecured account that will report to your credit history. And they have a pay over time feature where you could pay overtime in 4 installments, and you can minimize mounting debt and build your credit history. Now, I really do like this product. This kind of reminds me of the Tomo card. So from what it sounds like, this is going to be more like a charge card. So you're not really going to be able to revolve a balance. And I think it's good because even though the limits are a little bit low, it is forcing you to make the payments more frequently, because as it says right here, you can pay over 4 installments. So this isn't a credit card where you're going to get into crazy debt, because for one, the limits aren't that high, and number two, you do have to make frequent payments. So it's not going to be too much for people to handle. Like it says right here, it's going to minimize mounting debt because you are going to be paying down on it frequently. So let's say if it's a $400 limit and you have to make 4 installment payments of $100, that's much more manageable than if you had a much higher credit limit and a revolving balance. I think this is really geared to help people get ahead. Now, right now, it is a wait list, so it's coming soon. So all you got to do is enter in your email right here, and you'll be first notified when it becomes available for you to apply. Another cool credit product that Possible offers is called the Possible Cash. So this is a cash advance that helps you build credit. So you can get up to $200 instantly, no interest or late fees ever, no credit check or security deposit, and you can auto pay your balance on your next payday. Possible Cash, which is also going to report as a loan on your credit report. So this is another account that you can get. So this is 2 accounts so far with absolutely no credit check that's going to help you get ahead financially. Last but not least, they have the Possible Loan. So this is a payday loan alternative with fair repayment plans, and you can borrow up to $500 instantly. There's no origination, late fees, or penalties ever. You pay overtime in 4 installments. And again, this is going to report to the major credit reporting agencies. So this is a little bit different than Possible Cash, which is going to be, like I said, more like an advance where it'll automatically take the money from your next paycheck, whereas the Possible Loan is an actual loan where you're going to be making payments in installments, and it doesn't necessarily have to come out of your paycheck. So to recap, Possible offers 3 different credit products that are geared to help you get ahead financially. They have the Possible Card. This is coming soon. And this kind of reminds me, like I said, of the Tomo card, where it works more like a charge card. They're only going to give you a limit of either $400 or $800. There's absolutely no credit check, and it's going to report. So it's going to help you build your credit. Then they also have the Possible Cash, which is a cash advance where you could get up to $200. And this will also help build your credit because it does report to the credit reporting agencies. And then they have the Possible Loan, which is an actual loan where you can get up to $500, and there's absolutely no hard credit check. So these are 3 great products, again, are geared towards people who might have credit challenges or you might not be able to get approved from a bank, you can at least get some access to some capital and build your credit at the same time without undergoing a hard credit check. I know how a lot of you hate having to do a hard pull. This is a great way to build your credit and get ahead financially, especially if you're new to your credit journey. So if anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Let me know your comments and questions down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.